I'm Kayla with WTI, and as a homeschool mama, having easy access to our school supplies is an absolute must for me. This amazing pencil holder from GGIANTGO has been a lifesaver for us. We used to have a variety of our supplies just scattered out through the desk in different cups and little things, but now I can put all of our supplies in this one amazing rotating holder. Now, what I love about this holder is it has so much space. There are 9 different compartments in this thing. And what's even better is they're different sizes. So there's 5 tall compartments, including that center one, and then 4 lower compartments. For us, this is absolutely perfect for what we need it for. We store a lot of our highlighters, our pencils, our dry erase markers in those taller compartments. And then we save the lower compartments for things like our glue sticks, Post-it notes, erasers, or small little pencils that we have too. This pencil holder literally rotates so seamlessly 360 degrees. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of fun just to sit there and spin it around because it is such a smooth spin. This makes it super easy for my son to be able to find what he's looking for too. So whether he's looking for scissors or glue, he just spins it around and he's able to grab his supplies that he needs. So if you're looking for a practical and stylish way to hold your school supplies like pencils and scissors or even little notebooks, I would highly suggest checking out this amazing swivel pencil organizer from GGIANTGO. And that's just my point of view.